Coming up, I will give you a list of the 35 different types of marketing. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royse. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Marketing has evolved a lot since traditional marketing shifted to digital marketing. There are new types of marketing popping up all the time. Let's dive into the different types of marketing that you can use today. Number one, traditional or offline marketing. Traditional marketing is about offline marketing tactics such as billboards, flyers, and ads on radio that were around before the internet was created. Traditional marketing is referred to as offline marketing because many of the marketing tactics were not digital. Even though you see the words offline and traditional, this type of marketing is still around with advertising on print magazines, newspapers, and TV channels. Number two, digital marketing. Digital marketing is all about using the internet to market. Digital marketing is an umbrella term for anything that is digital in nature with marketing such as search engine optimization or SEO and websites. Digital marketing utilizes technology to reach a target audience. This type of marketing uses search engines, social media, email, mobile apps, and websites to connect with its target audience. Number three, outbound marketing. Outbound marketing is about going out to the traditional or digital world and interrupting an audience to communicate its message about its products and services. Outbound marketing is typically referred to as cold calls or emails, direct mail, and most types of advertising. Outbound marketing pushes its messages to people who may not want to hear those messages. Number four, inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is about marketing focused on attracting customers rather than interrupting them. Typically falls under the digital marketing umbrella because the audience contacts a company via a website, email, or phone call. For example, a person searches for an answer to their problem on Google and then stumbles upon a piece of content that solves that problem. They contact the company to talk to someone who can explain more. Number five, content marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating and distributing content to its target audience. It's usually in the form of inbound marketing, but can also be part of outbound marketing. Content marketing is used to generate leads or potential customers via blog posts, white papers, ebooks, and many other types of content. Content is usually developed to help leads or potential customers with answers to their questions. Number six, search engine marketing or SEM. Search engine marketing or SEM for short is about marketing through search engines such as Google and Bing. Search engine marketing is divided into two main categories, paid advertising or organic. Paid advertising is referred to as pay per click or PPC advertising because marketers pay per click on their ad. Companies create and manage PPC campaigns that bid on keywords to get ads placed in front of a target audience using ad management tools. Organic is about creating the content search engines love because it's relevant and helpful to searchers. Search engine optimization is commonly used to increase your content so your content shows up on page one of search engine result pages or SERPs. Number seven, product marketing. Product marketing is about driving demand for a company's products. It's about taking product pictures, launching campaigns, and creating product adoption through positioning, messaging, and market research. Product marketing works with sales, marketing, and customer success teams to launch products. They create content to establish sales, to know how to best talk about a product to a potential or current customer. Number eight, business to business or B2B marketing. B2B marketing is about marketing of products and services by businesses to other businesses. For example, a manufacturing company selling its products and services to an oil and gas company. Marketers use this term to differentiate their audience from business to consumer. Number nine, business to consumer or B2C marketing. B2C marketing is about marketing products and services to consumers. The term is about selling directly to consumers who are the end users of our products and services. A good example is Amazon and Walmart, where individual customers buy directly from them. Number 10, account-based marketing or ABM. ABM is a type of marketing that focuses on specific accounts or companies. Marketing teams create content, events, and campaigns for employees who work at that account or company. ABM allows companies to use their limited resources on targeted and personalized campaigns for their ideal customers. Number 11, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where a company agrees to work with a partner to pay a commission for traffic or sales generated from the partner. The partner receives money every time someone clicks on a link or buys something via that link. The paying company awards its affiliates for helping grow its sales. Number 12, brand marketing. Brand marketing is a type of marketing that promotes a company's brand and its respective products and services. A brand is about a long-term strategic plan to increase a company's recognition and reputation. Some good examples of brands you will know are Apple, MasterCard, BMW, and Coca-Cola. Number 13, social media marketing. Social media marketing uses social media channels such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to market to a company's products and services. The goal is to grow a company's social media audience and then engage with them. Tactics include publishing content, responding to comments, and running social media ads. Number 14, email marketing. Email marketing is about a brand connecting to potential and current customers via email. Email marketing is used to increase brand awareness, promote content, and nurture leads towards a purchase. Number 15, direct marketing. Direct marketing is when a company markets and communicates directly to a target audience using snail mail, email, and social media. It is chosen for its lower cost and personalization of messaging. For example, a company selling its products in its own store instead of using a wholesale distribution channel such as Costco. Number 16, influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is about a company working with influential people to promote its products and services. An influencer has a big following on social media or is an authority in a specific field. Influencer marketing is effective because people trust the influencer for advice. Number 17, word of mouth marketing or buzz marketing. Word of mouth marketing is where a company influences and encourages honest discussions about its products and services. This can come from exceeding their target audience's expectations, and the target audience spreads the word about their experience. Word of mouth is also called buzz marketing because a company creates a buzz with publicity in the media or top influencers. Number 18, event marketing. Event marketing is where a company uses events to market and communicate with its target audience to promote its products and services. Event marketing aims to create a memorable experience by engaging event participants through demos, attending lunches or dinners, networking events, or watching a concert. Number 19, guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing is where a company uses unexpected or unconventional marketing tactics that are low cost and creative. They use public places such as streets and shopping malls to create a solid and memorable impression. The goal is to provoke word of mouth and emotional connection with short and straightforward messages. Number 20, video marketing. Video marketing is about using videos that are created for YouTube, websites, emails, or social media to boost brand awareness, generate conversations, and answer a target audience questions about specific topics. Number 21, cause marketing. Cause marketing is where a company associates itself with social or cause issues where promoting its products and services. For example, a company may advertise its brand and donate some of the revenue they earn to a specific charity. The goal is to align its brand with a particular cause and encourage its target audience to get involved. Number 22, relationship marketing. Relationship marketing is all about focusing on building new relationships or strengthening relationships with potential and current customers. The goal is to improve customer loyalty and cultivate more profound and more meaningful connections to ensure the target audience is a long-term customer. Companies want customers to turn into raving fans of their products and services. Number 23, voice marketing. Voice marketing is about companies communicating to their target audience through smart speakers such as Amazon Alexa, Google Nest, Apple HomePod, or Sonos One by answering their questions about specific topics. Companies are optimizing their websites for voice search. Number 24, conversational marketing. Conversational marketing involves one-on-one conversations with its target audience via multiple marketing channels such as live online chats, text, email, and other media. Number 25, partner marketing. Partner marketing, also known as co-marketing, is where a company partners with another company on a marketing campaign and shares results. Companies engage in this type of marketing to reach similar target audiences or grow the target audience that they haven't reached yet. Number 26, user-generated marketing. User-generated marketing is about using a target audience content in their marketing efforts. Tactics include asking the audience to do an activity, sharing photos and videos, and using specific hashtags in their social media posts. Number 27, campus marketing. Campus marketing is where a company visits a college campus to market its products and services. This type of marketing usually involves student brand ambassadors who bring awareness of a company to their fellow students. Tactics include booth, campus events, and giving out promotional items. Number 28, proximity marketing. Proximity marketing is about targeting a user's location to show them the right products and services. For example, if a user goes to the grocery store, they could get discounts from the grocery store. Number 29, experiential marketing. Experiential marketing is about making the experience magical for the attendees by giving them something to take with them after the event. It immerses customers with the product or deeply engages them, not just to buy a company's products or services, but to experience the brand. The point is to forge a lasting emotional connection between the company and the consumer. Number 30, interactive marketing. Interactive marketing is where a user engages interactively with the brand and the company adapts its approach based on the user's behavior. For example, if you're searching for a specific book on Amazon, they show you similar types of books the next time you visit them. Number 31, field marketing. Field marketing is about selling in the field and promoting products and services directly to a target audience. Companies can distribute product samples, organize demos, and pass out brochures at an event or in a neighborhood or community. Number 32, multicultural marketing. Multicultural marketing is about marketing to different ethnicities and cultures within a target audience. It is about researching those communities and figuring out the right messaging that will resonate with those groups' needs and values. Number 33, neuromarketing. Neuromarketing is about using neuroscience to get information about a consumer's decision-making process and predict behaviors. Number 34, controversial marketing. Controversial marketing is about focusing on controversial topics to grab the attention of a company's target audience to spark a discussion about a specific topic. It helps generate some buzz around your company, but there is a risk that the tactics could negatively impact a brand and turn off potential customers. Number 35, global marketing. Global marketing is scaling your marketing efforts to a worldwide audience. It's about determining how to change your messaging, price, and advertising to reflect the local area. For example, how marketing works best in Germany versus how it works in the United States. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. There are many types of marketing. Some types of marketing are used for a brand to differentiate itself from other brands, and some are to accommodate a target audience's behaviors, values, and needs. Marketers have a lot of options in the modern marketing world to achieve their goals. Knowing the options is an excellent place to start. The key to marketing is to engage with your target audience, provide a return on investment, drive leads to gain new customers, and grow a company's revenue. Thank you for watching. Until next time.